And then shout out that boy Tigger. Yomi with no bigger and anybody. Oh, I'm sorry about that. What's up, guys? It's your boy xkenjean here. Back here with another xkenjean. Today we're back here with another video. I mean, look how many videos I got. You can't even count them in all seconds. Guys, look. So what's up, guys? It's your boy xkenjean here. Back here with another xkenjean. Nah, my baby's here. It's your boy xkenjean. I mean, back here with another xkenjean, and today we are going to be doing something. Not just something. Guess I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but we're gonna be doing something, okay? Or just end this video quick. No, I'm not getting this video quick. I don't know what to do. I'm just watching Mr. Beast again. So I'm just watching 50 million play buttons. I don't know what to watch. Today we're gonna be watching this.
YouTube didn't send me a 50 mil subscriber play button. I guess they hate me. But
They don't hit you.
a YouTuber named Daniel Kraft did. He made this custom 50 mil subscriber play button. And it is insane. This thing weighs like 50 pounds. This is more than 50 pounds. This is like 100 pounds. This thing is so heavy. And I just wanted to make this video to give him a quick shout out. He'll be linked in the description. Thank you so much for this thing. It is incredibly beautiful. YouTube didn't send me a... YouTube is not giving out that 50 million sub play button
Yeah, look at that play buttons. They get to make your own design. You like your famous tube.
anymore, which is unfortunate because it was cool. It was like this custom thing. Hey, boys, Dude Perfect hit 50 million subs. So one fan, known as Daniel Kraft, actually designed this 50 million sub play button. And oh my God, it's
beautiful.
Beautiful. Now, this isn't actually like real. He used a program to design this, but Dude Perfect responded on the video saying, so we're definitely going to need that. Yeah, guys, I mean, this thing is so beautiful. I hope somehow, some way this actually gets
I thought he was so messed up. Yeah, I thought he was about to say messed up. This actually
YouTube is not giving out that 50. The first 50 million play button was given to PewDiePie in December 2016. What happened to Mr. Beast's play buttons? He received his first silver play button in October 2016. At the time, the channel was called Mr. Beast 6000. In April 2017, he bought a bunch of fake play buttons, including this little fella. In November 2017, Mr. Beast reached 1 million subscribers and got a gold play button that looked like this. However, we don't see...
I'm kind of thinking that this guy is only talking about play buttons. Of course he is. I'm just gonna pause the video.
Award until this September 2020 video. Since getting that gold...
Then we kind of be talking about play buttons and not Jack Skunk. No. Why would he make his name talking about play buttons? Oh, I don't fucking know.
Play button. Mr. Beast has made so many YouTube channels and gotten so many millions of subscribers that there are too many play buttons to fit into one
Look at all the play buttons.
Second YouTube short. But he now has 10 silver play buttons, 8 gold play buttons, and a ridiculous 4 diamond play buttons. He even has a custom 50 million award created by Daniel Kraft because YouTube said they weren't doing 50 mil awards anymore. He still has all of his awards and they're currently on display at the entrance to one of his headquarters. But what I want to know is when's Mr. Beast getting the 100 million red diamond play button? These are all the play buttons YouTube...
I'm not supposed to be. I'm not including him.
It is insane. Obviously, these are the 100,000 subscriber plaques. These are all the million subscriber play buttons. This is the diamond play button for the gaming channel. This is the one for the main channel. Thank you so much, everybody, for the support. It means the world to me. Carl, where's the one for the shorts channel? Subscribe. Oh, wait. We don't have 10 million yet. These are all the play buttons. What happened to PewDiePie's play buttons? His silver and gold play buttons were first shown in this May 2016 YouTube video. The gold play button arrived broken and was later sold to a subscriber for £5 in October 2016. However, both awards can be seen in the background of this 2017 video, along with a replacement gold play button that was first unboxed in November 2016. We can also see his 50 million Bro Fist award that was first unboxed in December 2016, along with the mini versions of the award that are hidden down on the bottom right. It's presumed that most of these awards have since been thrown out or given away due to PewDiePie wanting to live a more minimalist...
Given away? His 50 million play button?
Lifestyle. For example, his diamond play button, which was first revealed in June 2016, was found in the trash by a local bin collector in 2020 and then sold on eBay. Therefore, £415 to a YouTuber called The Retro Future. This award changed hands many times since then and is currently in Keemstar's possession. Felix's 100 million subscriber play button was unboxed.
Ooh, yeah, look, I like the red ruby play button.
In September 2019. However, just a few weeks later, the red centerpiece fell out.
It fell out. That was my favorite part.
In October 2021, Felix decided to give the still broken play button to a
Lizard Lava. I know that guy. It's Lizard Lava.
loyal subscriber named Lizard Lava as a wedding gift. Although the briefcase that award originally arrived in is currently in my hands. YouTube has officially...
to be quiet.
दोस्तों आप सभी को पता होगा कि मिस्टर बीस्ट को 50 मिलियन
I want him to be quiet. I really just want him to be quiet. But it's just tagging is the video, you know what I'm saying? But in this video, please.